Hello friends, this is Misty with Gleespin Designs. I added these two videos to my TikTok page and the response has been amazing. So I wanted to share it with my friends here on YouTube and also as well on Facebook. So DIY number one is the Solar Jumbo Lollipop. You will need two of the large Dollar Tree bowls. You could use them in any color. I used a hot knife to add a hole into one of the bottom of the bowls. Then I just took a Dollar Tree broom or mop handle and hot glued that right into the hole. To make this light up, we are going to be using a solar light. So you're going to remove the bottom pieces and you just want the top part with the panel. Now take your hot knife and cut a hole into the bowl, but you want to measure the size of the solar panel so you know how big your hole is going to be, because we are going to take a low temp heat gun and we're going to add a little bit of hot glue, and I would recommend E6000, but I did not have any on hand. So we're going to take that and we're going to simply place the solar panel part right where that hole is, and you do not want any of it hidden. Now again, taking some hot glue and E6000, go around the bowl and then just simply add the two bowls together. At Dollar Tree, they have these clear shrink-wrapped gift bags, and you're just going to take one of those and place your lollipop inside, and then just gather it around the stick, and then you could take a pipe cleaner or a zip tie and just place that so it stays in place. This is definitely my favorite part. Now take your blow dryer or heat gun and just go around your lollipop, and that shrink wrap will get right nice and tight and snug on your lollipop. Then I made a bow from some Dollar Tree ribbon. You can add any bow that you like, and here you go. Your lollipop is done, and I think this would be so cool if you did them in so many different colors. And I mean, look at this at night, you guys. That is absolutely amazing. I love it, and it looks so pretty. And I did end up adding some solar string lights, to the stick. These lollipops are a huge hit. In just 24 hours, it hit 1 million views on TikTok. DIY number two is this absolutely adorable North Pole. Using a pool noodle from the Dollar Tree, I did cut mine down to size. You could use it in the full size, but I would add a broomstick or a Dollar Tree mop handle so that it stays standing straight up. Now I am taking white duct tape and I'm adding 2 layers to that. Dollar Tree does carry the white and red pool noodles, but they are actually a big popular Christmas crafting item. Weird, I know, but it's true. So I could not find any of those colors. So I am now taking red duct tape and kind of going around the pool noodle, making it kind of look like a candy cane. Got this wood cut out from Dollar Tree. They do have them in many shapes and sizes, but I thought this one would be perfect. And now I'm just taking my white chalk paint and adding a nice coat to that sign. You could paint this whatever color you would like, or even stain it to have more of a rustic little North Pole sign. I think that would be adorable. Now I'm just taking my red paint marker and going through and just doing like little lines, almost like a stitch look pattern throughout the whole sign. I used my Cricut Maker to cut out the words North Pole, but you could use Dollar Tree sticker letters as well. They have many different buckets at Dollar Tree. I had this one on hand and I did like that it was white, so I added my pool noodle right inside with some hot glue and E6000. You will want to add something for weight to make these stand straight up, so I did go ahead and add some rocks into the bucket. Now hot glue your North Pole sign to the pool noodle, and at Dollar Tree they have these adorable Christmas ornaments that do light up, and how perfect is that for the top of our North Pole sign. I did not glue this down so that you could take it off and turn it on and off. Now I'm just taking some Dollar Tree Christmas red raffia and I am adding a little bow to the bucket. I had this faux snow on hand, but they do carry really pretty faux snow at Dollar Tree that I actually do like better. It has like a sparkle to it, and I just added that in the bucket, and here it is, you guys. I love this, and I actually want to make another one for my kitchen that says Mrs. Claus's Bake Shop. I think that would be so adorable. My children definitely cannot get enough of this, and everyone that walks in my home definitely asks where I got it. If you like faster paced videos, I do have a TikTok page. Here it is. I do hope you guys join me over there as well. I have many at Dollar Tree DIYs. Don't forget to comment in the comment section what DIY is your favorite so you can be entered into the contest to win that DIY of your choice at the end of each month. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you!